Hi everybody, Sebastian here from HAL Robotics. Welcome to the first in a series of video tutorials for the new HAL Robotics Framework beta. This video is going to focus on registration, download and installation. So without further ado, I'm going to pop open my browser and head to user.hal-robotics.com. There I'm going to find the link to register. Type in my email address, a nice secure password, and register. It's automatically going to log me in, but this is the first and last time you'll be able to log in without confirming your email address. It should have been, a link should have been sent over as you registered to the email address you registered with. Please do head over and accept that, confirm your email address as soon as you receive it. I'm going to head over here to the HAL Robotics logo. It's going to take me back to the home page, and you'll see that a new link has appeared, now that I'm signed in, to download the HAL Robotics Framework. So I'm going to click on that, it's going to run the download, and I'm going to click Run. Now because this is a brand new piece of software, Windows doesn't recognize the download link, doesn't recognize the installer yet, so it is going to temporarily block it. If we click, however, on More Info, we can tell it to run anyway. Once we've started it running, it will extract the installer, and the HAL Robotics installer window will pop up. This is a beta software. We are working very hard to get rid of as many bugs as we can, and we'll be pushing out updates as quickly as possible. But there are inherent risks. This disclaimer just explains that for you. If you acknowledge those risks, you click I acknowledge, and you'll be presented with the modular installer. I'm going to click on just about everything to install first time round, and hit Apply Changes to start installing those. There are user license agreements to accept. I have read them thoroughly, so I'm going to click I accept without going into those. And as I do, starting with the McNeil package is going to install, followed by all of the others. I'm going to pause the video now and go and confirm my email address, and I'll come back when this is done. There we go. I've confirmed my email address, and I've popped back just before the installer finishes to show you this kind of sub-installer. Because we have a dependency on the ABB robot communication runtime, it's not something we can integrate into our software directly, so we run its installer as well. I'm just going to click through this, and you're free to do the same. And once it's finished installing, the HAL installer will continue. It should very quickly install the last couple of components, and there we go, we're in. This installer, whilst we're still here, is also where you'll come to get your updates. If there is an update available for a particular package, there'll be a little circle at the bottom indicating that there's an update. If there are updates to be done, you don't need to tick or untick anything. Just hit Apply Changes, and any updates that need to be done will automatically be done. If you want to install more packages, you just tick them on as well. And if you want to uninstall something, you can untick it and hit Apply Changes, and it will be uninstalled. Some of the packages uninstall that quickly. So with that done and installed, I'm going to fire up Rhino. And I'm going to launch Grasshopper. Now the first time you launch Grasshopper, you're going to be presented with a login window. I'm going to log myself in. If you can't connect the first time, please do make sure that you have confirmed your email address, because you won't be able to log in without it. There we go, it's letting me in. And you should only have to do that every once in a while if you've been away from your computer for a couple of weeks, or if you explicitly log yourself out. So that's installation and setup. In the next video I will talk you through getting started with the new components and the new framework. I'll see you then. Bye.